Hello and welcome the students of class 7. Today we will do some grammar work. So write the grammar definition and other types of phrases, features and some sentences in your fair copy. So first we will start from the heading of the chapter phrases. Phrases. The definition of phrases is like this: groups of words which make sense but not complete sense and do not have finite verbs are called phrases. Example: I live in New Delhi. In the given sentence, I is the subject and live is the verb. Moreover, it makes complete sense by itself. However, the group of words in New Delhi does not have any subject or verb and does not make complete sense. In this indication that in New Delhi is a phrase. Now the features. Features. Number 1. A phrase is a part of a sentence. Second, it does not make complete sense. Third, it does not contain a finite verb. Fourth, a phrase may contain infinitives as in example B, to find fault in others. It may contain non-finite verbs as in example C, walking in fresh air. So example B and C. So let's see example B and C here. Example number 1, I live in New Delhi, which has been described earlier by me. To find fault is easy, and the third is walking in fresh air is very healthy. So write these examples also, and the phrases words in bold letters or underline them. After reading the definition and features, we will start the types of phrases. Types of phrases. A phrase performs many roles in a sentence, and accordingly there are different types of phrases. Mainly there are 3 types of phrases: noun phrase, adverb phrase and adjective phrase. First we will discuss about noun phrase. A phrase that functions as a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. Let us read the following sentences. We like to watch good movies. To help others is good. I love clicking pictures. His sudden illness upset us. The bold letters in these sentences are noun phrases. So look carefully about noun phrases. Now we come to the another part of this chapter. So look carefully. Now this is the exercise written in red letters. Identify the noun phrases in the following sentences. Noun phrases in the first 2 sentences have been marked for you. In first 2 sentences there are some examples how you choose the noun phrase in each and every sentence. So look carefully. Sentence number 1. His recent manner impressed everyone. 2. My friend's little brother is very cute. In these two sentences, the bold letters, his decent manner, my friend's little brother are the noun phrase. Identify the verb and there is a hint. Identify the verb and ask what verb or what verb what to find out the noun phrase. Now come to the next sentence. Understanding the minds of the people is very difficult. I enjoy going on long walks. The friendly atmosphere helped my brother perform well in class. I love reading history books. Singing classical songs is what gives me pleasure. Mary wants to cook dinner. Taking care of the poor and needy is good. Surviving a plane crash is a miracle. You have to identify the noun phrase in each and every sentence. The first two sentences have been given as an example.